What kind of refrigerator and cabinets fit our home better?
I prefer a built-in refrigerator.
Are you struggling to build built-in refrigerator with your home style? How can it be called built-in if the colours don't match? It's built in, but the gaps are still too big. You left space, but the door still won't open smoothly. Now it sits flush, but there is no space for ventilation on either side. This is what a true zero-gap built-in refrigerator looks like. Its refined colours make your home feel warmer, brighter and more pleasant. The doors open smoothly. Truly zero-gap built-in design. Bottom heat dissipation. No need to leave gaps on both sides. It blends effortlessly into any home style, redefining home aesthetics.